Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a recommendation letter for employee. What is recommendation letter for employee? Recommendation letter for employee or employer's reference letter is a document detailing an employee's time with a company, their achievements and, sometimes, an endorsement. A manager, human resources representative, mentor or employer usually writes an employer's reference letter. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a good recommendation letter for employees step by step. First of all, you need to write down the date today. In this case, it is April 19, 2023. After that, you can continue to put details about the new company. Write the name of the person in charge or directly write the company name if you have no idea about it. Of course, it is a must to write the address such as the street name, city, state, and zip code. Now, you can open the recommendation letter with to whom it may concern. You can also write respected sir or madam. Both are formal ways of greeting. In the first paragraph, say that you are delighted to recommend your employee. Mention the name, the position, and the current company name as well. And you need to introduce yourself too, as you are the one writing this letter. And then, you can continue to give praises to the employee that you recommend. You can mention his or her positive skills in working and so on. Remember, the skills you mentioned must have relation to the job position that the employee applied. In the second paragraph, you can add additional information about the employee's positive points like highly motivated, well cooperative with team and so on. In the third paragraph, you can tell how the current company loves the employee. Write that the employee is an asset or privilege for your company. And the last paragraph, you can once again tell that you recommend the employee. Convince the recipient that the employee will be a good asset for the future company. And offer yourself to give more information about the employee in the closing statement. And finally, you can end this recommendation letter with sincerely. Don't forget to put your signature, full name, and your position. Mostly, recommendation letter for employee is written by manager of the company. And, that's how you write it. Easy, right? Good luck.